Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking a C diatonic 10-hole harmonica and confirming reed responsiveness. This matters because tuning affects Billy Joel riffs directly. Next, form a relaxed right-hand cup and cradle the harp with thumb and index. Posture affects tone. Now produce single notes using a small lip pout and aim for holes 4-6 first. Once you can isolate notes reliably, practice simple 1-2-3-4 breath patterns. This trains breath control for phrasing and sets you up for the opening motif. You now connect isolated notes into the signature motifs, map the main lick across holes 4-7 and count subdivisions to lock timing. Then add bends on hole 3 and 4. Start with half-step bends until your ear matches pitch, because accurate bends give the song its vocal quality. Once done, layer dynamics. Play verses softer and the chorus with more air while using right-hand cupping to create wah effects. Make sure to practice slowly. Then speed up while keeping clean articulation and steady timing. You finish by arranging your learned phrases into the song's structure. Play a clear intro, support verses sparsely, boost chorus energy, and add a concise outrow. Then record practice takes and listen for timing, tone, and expressive phrasing differences. This feedback loop is how you refine interpretation. If things go wrong, sticky notes, weak bends, or breathiness, clean the harmonica gently, check hand seal, and revert to slow practice of problem measures. One tip: isolate the failing phrase and repeat it until.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.